all in color. Just watch. Gotta finish up in color. Yeah. Time to do it all in color.
Hey my beauties, my package from Celie Hair on AliExpress has finally arrived. I'm so excited to show you the hair that I bought. This is just a quick unboxing video for the hair that I bought from Celie Hair. Jumping into the gifts that I received is this beautiful navy wig cap, and also I received, obviously they have their pamphlet on their information and how to get in touch with them, but we don't really need that. This is what I need, these wig caps. I got 2 of them. Awesome, shout out to Celie Hair. And I also got some very dramatic eyelashes and some wig grips as well. I doubt I'll be using them because the hair head is a 22.5 inch, so which is like the same size as my head, so I won't need to tighten my wigs up. So yeah, that's basically that. Let's move on. And yeah, finally, so first wig, I got this 22 inch 13x4 body wave colored wig. They call it color 27 or something like that, in 150 density. Yeah, okay, the hair is protected in a net, nice and all. Let's just take it out or whatever. Yeah, okay, cool. So this is the hair. It feels so soft. I'm really loving it, and I'm very impressed with how, like, even when I'm like gripping my hands across it, there wasn't any shedding at the moment. And obviously the bonus part is the baby pre-plucked baby hairs. I do see some knots, of which I feel like I will be dyeing them out. Is it called dyeing them out? Oh yeah, yonke wetula process, guys. I'm new to this wig game, like proper wig game, I mean. So yeah, basically that's the this is the lace front, and yeah, and also it's got these awesome hair grips inside the front, the left and the right, and also the back, and these also additional grips as well, which is really awesome, just to keep your wig nice, tight and snug. And yeah, I wish I bought 180 density or 200 density, but I'm not really complaining because I am in love with this one. So on to the next one. Oh, actually I also got another two pieces of wig caps, which is awesome. So I got four pieces of wig caps. Thank you, Celie Hair, that's so dope. Anyhow, so the next wig that I got is a natural color jerry curl wig, 16 inch 4x4 basically. So I don't know why I didn't get a 13x4, because I feel like 13x4 for me, they're so easy to install, and like from ear to ear, like I like that vibe. But anyway, I'm not complaining. I really love the curliness, and yeah man, it's 16 inch and something different. And yeah, but I will be dyeing the knots on both these wigs because I'm not really liking the color of the lace. But yeah, pre-plucked baby hairs, always a bonus, because I don't want to mess up the wig and cutting them and all of that stuff. So yeah, it also has the same wig comb grips inside the front, the back, and both the left and the right. So yeah man, so let me know what you guys think of my new wigs. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Yes, most everything is on the description box. I will leave the link of the wigs on the description box as well. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I know this is such like a quick video. I just wanted to show my new babies off, basically. I just wanted to show them off. And yeah man, I'm like really happy with my purchase. And my girl, you know, was too excited. I went to go buy the bleaching whatever, so I bleached the knots and I installed the wig that was just screaming my name. And yeah man, this is basically the wig and how it looks like. I'll be taking snaps and whatever, and all, not whatever. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.